They're waving that they've gone. Oh, here we go.
Okay, this will be fun, won't it?
It will. Oh, that was a bit bumpy.
We're going to chase them up.
We're going to chase them down. No, 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 no. Chase down. Giraffe.
What's a giraffe, eh?
What's a giraffe? That's one of them.
What do they have flags for?
Camouflage.
Can they camouflage?
Attention Sky Rovers. For your comfort and safety, commencing at the top.
Oh, we're going downhill. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so fast.
What is fast?
This is. Oh, we're going uphill.
Let's have the field.
Oh, we're going down again. Ah.
Okay, do you like this one?
I do.
Hello. Okay, there's going fast.
Yeah. Oh, there's some track.
We're reaching number 10, aren't we?
Yeah. Hello, Miniland. Look at all the Lego. Miniland. That's Miniland. Who's number 10? Are, are they behind us? Socket number 10. I remember when you used to see the space tower here. Where is it? Oh, here we go, going up. Thankfully we're not pedalling like we used to in the olden days. Anyone who's watching this, remember the Bone Shaker sort of kiddie car ride where Pirate around that area is? And Pirate Falls?
Hey, this is so fun, isn't it?
It is. It's super fun. Now we're slowing down.
Hey, look at the cookies.
Where are the cookies?
Yeah.
Oh, the Lego cookies.
Are they called Lego cookies?
They're not, I can't remember what they're called.
Oh, Lego.
Really?